Hi, I'm Sid Parisi and I'll be taking you for this subject, which uses problem-based learning, or PBL. PBL is a new and exciting way to learn. It puts you in the driver's seat. You become in charge of your learning processes. It will change the way you think and how you go about learning. You'll be working as part of a close-knit team, and I will be there with you to facilitate your journey of learning. Here are some snippets of what our clinical science graduates say about PBL and how it will help you in your future career.
Sure. So problem-based learning is basically trying to problem solve with information that you have. So in the first and second years, it's very much like any other degree where you have your lectures that you go to and they're specific topics, so they're anatomy and physiology, chemistry. You learn the content for the exam and then you'd forget most of that content after you leave. Whereas with PBL, you have to use that information to try and solve a problem. So you're basically taking information and working with it to try and answer a question.
Third year problem-based learning and reflective practice and all that sort of stuff really helped when I actually got into the workplace. I was a lot more prepared for different things like all sorts of writing and and other things.
Any research or anything like that?
Yes, when I first started working at the Centre for Rural and Remote Mental Health, I was working on a research project, and so I had a good understanding of how it worked and all that sort of stuff before I got there, so it was easy to sort of slip into the workplace. So,
I guess it helps you figure out what type of learner you are, which is, I guess, my biggest realisation when I finished third year clinical science, because I knew how my brain worked and I knew what worked for me, and now I can apply that to my dentistry subjects.
Yeah, I definitely found the problem-based learning helpful. In midwifery, all our all our exams are case study based. So I found the PBL to be really helpful in preparing for those exams and being able to time manage appropriately in those exams, because I'd done it so much in clinical science.
Yeah, so problem-based learning is usually small group style learning, so you're not just answering questions with information that you already have, but you're interacting with other people and you're bouncing ideas off each other, similar to how a multidisciplinary team would work in a hospital or any kind of clinical scenario.
Okay. It will change the way you think and how you go about learning.